The Deadly Decade is an engaging word search puzzle book that transports us back to the fabulous 50s, offering 50 unique murder mystery cases. Is designed to challenge your detective skills through a series of intricate word puzzles. Each case presents 4 distinct scenes, and within these scenes, 6 pieces of evidence and 6 suspects are hidden. Our task is to uncover these elements, identify the murder weapon, pinpoint the killer, and determine the exact location where the crime took place. The book provides a structured approach to solving these mysteries. To begin, we search the scenes for all 6 evidence words and 6 suspect names across the 4 grids provided for each case. A unique twist is that each suspect appears twice, with one instance in each of 2 different scenes, adding a layer of complexity. Next, we spot the weapon by identifying which piece of evidence shows up in 2 scenes instead of just 1. Following this, we corner the killer. By looking at the 2 scenes where the weapon was found, we can deduce that only one suspect appears in both, revealing our culprit. Decoding the victim involves unscrambling the leftover circled letters inside words we've already found, which then reveals the victim's name. Finally, we pin the location by finding the victim's name hidden in the grids. Where the scene it appears in precisely indicates where the crime occurred. This systematic method ensures a thorough investigation for every case, promising hours of engaging mystery-solving entertainment.